What's up, everybody? I know you guys gonna like these. I just caught these a couple days ago from that sneakers app online. I actually got really lucky to cop one of these shoes. It was one pair out of 12,000 actually made. I believe in the whole United States. I'm not sure, but these was a must. As you can see, we got all white around. As you can see, looking pretty neat. We got the Nike Air in the bottom. Had to cop a size 10. Yeah, let's see what we got in here. Let's check it out. Okay, we got the bag for it. As you can see, we got the bag right here. Put the shoes in there. Definitely gotta be real. If you got this, you can see the paper. We got the paper. 23 gold. Now let's see what we got here. Ooh, look at this. This is hot. This is some heat. Everybody who collects sneakers, I know you guys gotta have at least one pair of these. There was only 12,000 made, so I know some of you guys were lucky. I'm one of the persons. I fell in love with these. Now, just got them today. Let's check them out. See, we got the leather going with the white. You see the gold in the wing. Printed, I'm sorry. We still got the little plastic. Straight out of the box. You can see the back. 23. Got the Michael Jordan in the back. That's something new. You see the gold. The gold with shoelace thing. Where the shoelaces go. Same thing right here. We got the plastic. Damn, look at these. These are just neat. These are clean. I know there's a lot of people paying good money out there, but there you have it. You see the sole at the bottom. Check it out.
This is Kent Brockman reporting to you on a crisis so serious it has its own name and theme music.
It's actually, you can see right there, 8,484 out of 12,000 pairs were made size 10. I know these are here, everybody. You can see the leather. The leather actually seems pretty neat. It smells pretty good. Clean, I'm telling you guys, it's clean. You see the inside. I don't know if you can see it. You gotta have these. Heat, everybody, heat. You can see got the paper and everything. I was pretty lucky to get these. And I know whoever got these are excited and happy. I was waiting all day for these. But check these out though. These are hot.